Okay.
from today. Yeah, so is that okay with you?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so wait here. I will take my photo my house. Yeah,
Okay.
because it's stuck in there.
Okay. Yeah, boy. All
Yeah,
right.
and you can hold back. Yeah,
On the back,
you can hold
okay.
back, yeah. The first step we will eat grilled banana with sticky rice.
Sticky rice?
Yes,
Nice.
yes. Have you ever eaten that?
I've had sticky rice in Thailand before.
Oh, Thailand?
Yeah.
Yeah, I bet it's different.
Yeah. Hopefully. Big head.
Oh, is it okay? Or you need to use it? Oh. Oh, it's wrong. Yeah.
Other way?
Yeah, yeah. Let me get it. Yes.
There you go.
Yeah, okay.
Right. My feet here.
Is it okay?
Yeah, that's good.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go.
This shit is bumpy.
Pretty good?
Yeah. A little scary, but
Yeah.
it's fine.
Don't worry, I'm professional at
Oh,
it.
yeah. How long you been doing it for?
Yeah. you from?
California.
California?
Yeah.
How the weather like there? How's the weather?
It's nice.
Nice.
It's like the same here, but it don't rain as much.
Alright. Actually, at this time it's not the rain season.
It's not rainy season?
Yeah.
It's been raining the last 2 days I was here.
Yeah, I guess it was because of the climate change.
Oh, climate change?
Yeah.
Are you from Ho Chi Minh?
Yeah, I was born. And now I live with my parents.
Where?
I live with my parents.
Oh, your parents?
How long have you been here?
It's my second day.
Oh,
I got here yesterday. Yeah. Back, I don't know where it's going. Fucking traffic. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I gotta make this school a little small. Raindrop just hit me in the eye.
Yes, here's been the sticky rice. And no, been driven out of fire. So yes, you can stay a little bit over here and enjoy the mashed pizza. So you see, they stuff the banana inside the sticky rice. And then they grill all together on the fire. Really good. And then they cut into small pieces and pour some banana, coconut on the top. And also some sashimi or peanut. Oh, I forgot. You got any allergies for the food? You try everything, right? I like it. Yeah, everything is so good. So yeah, you have to try everything. Hey, dinner is served. And also, good for you.
Thank you.
Okay, so now
Okay, yeah, it's like they grew different.
Looks good. from the U.S.?
Yeah,
Yeah, whereabouts?
California.
Yeah, nice.
I thought you was a Raider fan for a second. I was saying we're not gonna get along.
Nah, NWA fan.
NWO, okay.
You want to hold it for you? You want me to hold it for you?
Oh, no, it's
Want you to enjoy
okay.
it?
It's okay.
Scared out of my mind. A lot of shopping alley. Man, yeah, hold on.
Everyone pork? Okay, original taste. Spicy or not? Spicy. Spicy.
Spicy.
All spicy. Good. So right now we just have one and cut in half for you, huh? Right now the guy here, he just put everything inside the banh mi for you. The main ingredient here is pork, and that's 100 years ago. Yeah, for 100 years, pork and chicken. But if you get tired of the pork, we also got canned fish over here. Canned fish, yep. And new ingredient, fish sausage. Also up the wall, yep. And here, all kind of pork sausage there. And every food right here comes with vegetables. So mainly we will got some cucumber, coriander, white radish, and also carrots. Yep. Everything inside, flavorful.
What the paste? Is that pate?
This one, the brown one over there. Yep, that's pate. From goose liver or some pork liver.
Okay.
And also mayonnaise. Two of them are the best ingredients in the world. That's what makes the baby special. So for this food right here, when we kick the French out in the war, the only thing that left for us is banh mi. But the baguette is really long, this long.
Yeah.
And we cannot eat it like, nope, really inconvenient. So we just cut it in smaller pieces. And all the food right here, all the material here from the market, and also the banh mi. We just make it across the street. You see the oven over there? Yeah. Fresh from the oven. Bon
Cheers.
appetit. First time to do this? First time try this one, right? And also you can buy this thing everywhere on the street.
I see it, yeah.
We have fun the
Yeah.
Hoàn cảnh không thấy đường thì cháu đến đây nắm giấy số để kiếm sống. Nhờ một thương các bạn có thể ủng hộ với chút dùm.
You guys walking because the other place is too busy, so. You say pho the wrong way, it means you want prostitution.
So yep, everyone, welcome you to the oldest apartment right here. This apartment right here we call Wing apartment. So this one is about 67 years old, and this is the oldest apartment. Older one, but it was destroyed and built a new one right up when it don't have any people live inside anymore. To stay over here and it's passed it down to many generations so they can keep the house and also renovate it, clean it and live it. Yep. So we say mod.
Mod.
Yeah, like motorbike. Mod.
Mod.
Hai.
Kai.
Ba.
Ba.
Mod. Hai. Ba.
Mod. Kai. Ba.
Then we shout yo.
Yo.
Yep. Loud as you can, okay?
One.
Okay, now mod.
Bye. Bye.
Yo. Okay, cheers. Okay, right now you want to go a little bit upstairs and see the people's house? Okay. Okay, and like I said, if you see any people right there look at you, just smile and nod. Enjoy the beauty around you. So for this place right here, I think we will have a little challenge for you. Huh? So right now, everyone, we have a group photo. Huh? You're not here. Everyone, stay up. Take a picture for you.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Just stay still. Don't worry. Just like this, right? Okay, wait. Inside.
Thanks, man. No worries.
And also we prepare for you the drink right here. This one here we call the welcome drink. It's just jasmine tea with ice. but it will make you refreshing, especially in hot weather. Yeah, for the welcome drink right here, when you step inside the restaurant, they will always invite you that way. And for the beef noodle soup right here, you see the beef one, right? The white thing right there is the pork sausage. And the yellow thing is the crab sausage. And also, we enjoy it with some vegetables. This one here, morning glory and bean sprout. Yeah. If you want a little bit sour, here's some lime. And if you want a little bit chili, here, chili with lemongrass, also called satay. Any level questions?
Thank you.
Oh, me too. Goodness, the water's pretty deep. They don't let you fish it out of there. It just takes a little while. Yes, the feet, they did freeze it out. Yeah, they took the vegetables down. The feet was closed for a couple years. Yeah. Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah, for the beef, that was big. That was big. Yeah, you did roll it.
The dude in the gold chain.
I'm gonna break that chair.
And it's,
It might be too heavy.
it looks like everyone here go to the học cách đo ra luôn hả? Phải tự mở hả? Mở ra được. Nó kêu là làm đo ra luôn được không? Cái này mình mở vỏ mình làm đo ra luôn cũng được không? Hay là
Anh ngồi giùm em vậy được không?
ok. Kêu bà lấy cái giấy luôn. Well, you know this one?
I recognize it.
Yeah, recognize but don't know the names, right? So here we don't know the names neither. We just call it in Vietnamese name Chao Yung. That's right. And yeah, the Chao Yung right here we grill it with the oil and onion. And when you open like this, just use a spoon, put it inside and break it open. Yeah, it's really hot, so you have to be careful about that one. Right? Okay. And this one right here, you dip with the salt and pepper, the red salt and pepper with chili over here. Yeah. And also we got an extra sauce for you right here. That is the comfort with salt and pepper also. But this one you have to switch the comfort and put inside this place here. Yeah. And right now, just mix it up, huh? Okay, can you mix it up for me? Okay, and over here we also got fish sauce. Mình không có giấy bình thường hả? Đúng tỷ á. Okay, here's the tissue, and your tissue. So here we will have three kind of different sauce. You can try one of the three and tell me which is the best one for you, huh? Okay, and can you give me your bowl? Yeah, I will distribute to everyone.
from yours? No.
Maybe it's a sign.
It's not meant to be. I don't want to eat it anyway, so. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Maybe that's the time.
Okay, then you can leave that there. I will help you. Everyone. If you follow me, you break your nail.
Is that
No,
what-
no.
It's like this guy who's playing. There you go.
Okay, here.
I can't get into it.
Okay. Good?
Yeah.
I think it's okay. It's good.
Oh, they just did it.
See?
No?
The cheers thing. 1, 2, 3.
You can open it? Okay, you can open it?
Yeah, I got it. I got it.
Okay, then you can leave your shell on the here on the plate right here. Okay, and for the second one right here, half part of clams and lemongrass. This one is more simple. For this one, you don't need a spoon. You just eat like this. This is your spoon. Yeah. Dip a little bit with the broth and then enjoy. And also try this one here, the fish sauce. Say that I have experience enjoying these things. Let's try a little bit of this, try a little bit of this, and try to find out the best one. Usually we will use this thing. But experience, right? Also, when you get drunk because of the beer, you should try the broth over there. Really helpful.
Does it make you less drunk? Does it make you less drunk?
Less drunk, yeah? Sorry. That's right.
Can I get
Yeah, and it's one, right?
Really good. I didn't think I would like
Vegetable stuff that we have in the soup.
it. Big snack.
Nó ơi, cái sổ đâu tính tiền Tây nè. Tính tiền Tây lẹ đi. Tính tiền Tây đi.
Yeah, yeah.
And also we got to this
Oh, crab.
market right here, we're in District 10. District 10 next to District 3. And this place right here is the biggest wholesale flower market of the whole city. And this place open 24/7. Hả? Dạ rồi, dạ rồi. Well, I'm quite famous. Okay, this is a favorite. Okay, here you can enjoy the flowers, huh? You got a lot of flowers.
Man.
Like I said, more than 1,000 types, but not usually remember the name. But we will recognize purple right here. White and purple here means sadness. So always wait for the dead.